Hey y'all, it's Dawn, and I'm so glad you're back. I've got another fun, budget-friendly DIY video for you today. I found these wood ornaments on Amazon, but I think Dollar Tree carries them also. I just didn't find them at my local Dollar Tree. I painted 5 of the ornaments with Waverly white chalk paint. And then painted the other 5 with Waverly ink chalk paint. I used a buffalo transfer I found on Amazon, and you'll find it in my Amazon store. The link's in the description. You don't have to use the Chalk Couture paste with these transfers. You can use them like you would any other stencil. On the white ornaments, I applied a thick layer of Chalk Couture black velvet chalk paste and removed the excess, placing it back into the jar. On the black ornaments, I used a thick layer of Chalk Couture candy apple red. I then removed the transfer from the ornaments. At first, I was going to leave them just like this with the buffalo plaid, but I decided I wanted to add a little something more. I decided to use these Chalk Couture Christmas minis. You'll also find a link to my Chalk Couture site in the description. They look like they would fit perfect. I cut all the different transfers, following the line in the middle of them. With each transfer, I placed it on the fuzzing cloth to remove some of the stickiness. I didn't want the transfers to pull up the buffalo print I had just created and dried. I positioned the transfer onto the ornament and pressed it down, removing any air bubbles. For the red and black ornaments, I used Chalk Couture bright white paste. I apply the paste to the transfer, remove the excess, and then remove the transfer. I absolutely love the way this one turned out with Noel on it. I continue chalking all the red and black ornaments first. With the black and white ornaments, I used Chalk Couture candy apple red with the transfers. I think the white paste on the red and black ornaments turned out so stinking cute. I'm not too sure for the red on the black and white though. Let me know what you think in the comments. I may have to redo the black and white ones, but they all turned out really stinking cute. If you found me through the playlist, I hope you'll consider joining our little family by hitting the subscribe button and leaving me a comment. Merry Christmas! Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Happy crafting!